Hello everyone, this is a update video on how to install Unity 5.4.1. This will enable you to follow along with the video series that I've been doing. So I do have an update package that I will actually leave in the link below. This package also have the license plugin for PS Vita. So you can also compile a game for PS Vita also. But that will be probably a separate series that I will probably do. But currently now we are working on Xbox 360. But we'll install all the packages that's needed. So first off, once you download this package and unzip it, one of the first thing you want to do to make sure that nothing is removed, because each user's computer is set up differently. So you want to add the folder as an exception within either Windows Defender or whatever you have on your system, because it may find certain component as a harmful application, which it's not. Second thing you want to do is to install Visual Studio 2010, because you're going to need that to edit any type of code and anything like that. And then going forward, you would install Xbox 360 SDK. During this installation, you just gonna choose full. So I should be able to go through even though I already have it installed. So you will only get the full option if Visual Studio 2010 is installed. Alright, so okay, I was working on the skin. Let's get that down. Alright, let's give it some time. It is a big file. Alright, so you're gonna do a full installation. And this Devkit, it will install all the application you actually need to compile your project to an Xbox 360 file. While that's finished, just click the finish button. And what you'll be doing next is installing Unity. You're just going to use the default location. Alright, so you're gonna uncheck run, click finish. You can install the standard assets. Then you'll install the support for Xbox 360. Alright, so once that's done, you can choose to install this, but we'll do it at a later time. So you're gonna open the Unity patcher. Alright, so you need to right click, run as admin, and patch would look like this. So first thing what you need to do is browse where Unity is installed, and as you can see, it's go to Windows, see program files, Unity, and your edit folder. Press OK. That's where it found it. Want to make sure you have the correct license option. It should be Unity Pro, and all of these is basically what you can develop games for. And you can go ahead and click Create License. You already have one there, so it will do that. And then you'll click Patch, and then it will say Patched. And click Yes. So you can now close that. There's also instructions and everything that I advise you to read. It basically gives you a guideline on what you should do when you're developing. Give you basically your do's and your don't, or any questions you may need to get answered to regarding your project. So now that that's all finished, you just need to open Unity and you should not have any issue. So if I open the tutorial project that we have, it should go right in. And there we are. And when I'm building, you want to make sure that master player is selected. And then the run method, it's set to copy to HDD. And once you have your project selected, you can just click build wherever you're saving it, and it will build your project. And that's basically the whole process in installing Unity with the proper patch and everything, so you can follow along in the tutorial. If you do have any questions or any comments, just leave it down below. And there's also a Discord server that I created this weekend. I'll put that link also, so you can also join. And if you have any type of issue, whether with installing Unity or doing the whole series in creating the game, you can actually just leave it down below or within the Discord server. And there you go. It's has finished compiling the game. Just a little bit leave and it's done. Alright, so that's it for this video. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave down below. Thanks for watching.